Okay, so let us answer the sample problems that we have. So first is to transform, we have 135 degrees into other forms of angle measurement. So in radians, in gradient, and in mils. So as I have said before, in order for us to correctly convert an angle measurement from one unit to another, so we must remember that one complete revolution is equivalent to 360 parts in degrees. In radians, that is 2 pi radians. In the unit gradient, that is 400 gradient. And in mils, that is 6,400 mils. So in conversion, in converting this one, we have 135 degrees. So multiply by, our denominator should be the same unit with this so that we can cancel out. So one complete revolution in degrees is 360 degrees. And transform it to radians. So one revolution is 2 pi radians. So that you can cancel the unit degrees, and then the remaining unit now should be in radians. That is now our final answer. It is 3/4 pi radians. Next, convert it to gradient. So the same 135 degrees, our denominator should be in degrees, 360 degrees, and one complete revolution in gradient. So if we want to convert it to gradient, that is one revolution is 400 gradients. So cancel out the unit degrees, so your final answer should be in gradients. This is 150. And then finally, we have in mils, transform the unit degrees to mils. So 360 degrees, one complete revolution is 6,400 mils. So calculate, cancel out degrees. So the final answer now is 2,400 mils. So these are our final answer. Sorry. Oh my god. In gradients and in radians. Gradient and in radians. Next problem. A certain angle has a supplement 4 times its complement. What is the angle? So in this problem, we will let a variable. So for example, we will let x be the angle that is unknown. Be the angle. And then it is said na siya'y complement angle and a supplement angle. So if we will let another variable a be the complement of x, be the complement of, it's really up to you, class, whatever variable you would like to let in this problem. Okay. And so unknown actually see angles x and a, so we must have at least 2 equations. So we have complementary angles and supplementary angles. So when we say complementary angles, it is the sum of the two. It should be equal to 90 degrees, right? So if we have x, i-plus nato si a, which is complement man sila, so that is equal to 90. And that is our first equation. And supplementary angles, the supplement of x daw, class. So x plus its supplement is equal to, unsa to? Ang supplementary angles have the sum of 180 degrees. So unsa man ang supplement ni x? So ang supplement ni x is 4 times its complement. No? So, iyang complement is a. So, 4 times its complement. So, 4 times a. So, this is our second equation. So, from the first equation, we will transpose a so that the other side of the equation will be equal to x. So, this is now x equal to 90 minus a. And then, from the second equation, we will substitute x, diba, that is x plus 4a is equal to 180. So we'll substitute x with this value, 90 minus a plus 4a is equal to 180. So this is now negative 1 plus 4, that is positive 3, is equal to 180. Transpose na to class C, 90. So this is minus 90. Then divide the whole equation by 3 so that you can cancel out 3. So a, therefore, 180 minus 90 is 90 divided by 3, 30. But this is not what is required in this problem. So ang gipangita is the angle which will let us x. So from equation 1, x plus a is equal to 90. Gipangita na to si x. X now is equal to 90 minus a. So that is 90 minus a, which is 30. So x now is equal to 60 degrees. So this is now the final answer. Okay. Next problem. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio 2:1. Find the two angles. So we will let x still. So let x be the first angle. Then, since supplementary angles man siya, so let us say y be its supplement, be the supplement of x. So that if we have two supplementary angles, the sum of the two is equal to 180. Okay? So this would be our first equation. Now, dapat napatay another equation in order for us to successfully solve this problem. We have two equations. We have two unknowns, x and y. So we must have two equations. Now, we can have our next hint by this one. We have the ratio 2:1. So by ratio and proportion class, we have the two angles x and y. X is to y has the ratio kuno 2:1. So that if we cross multiply this, x is equal to 2y. This is our second equation. So you must be able to understand the problem and then interpret the expression into an equation. And so, from equation 1, we will substitute the value of x. From x plus y is equal to 180. Then substitute the value of x from equation 2. This is 2y plus y is equal to 180. This is now 3y is equal to 180 divided by 3. Divided by 3, cancel out. Y now is 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degrees. Okay. And then the other angle, so from equation 2, class x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2 times 60 degrees. So x is 120 degrees. So to check, so we can check our work from equation 1. We have x plus y, the sum of the two angles, since supplementary angles should be 180. So this is our answer for x is 120. Then our y is 60. So 180 ba na siya? So obviously it is 180. So we got the correct answer. Okay. Okay, so last problem. Two angles are complementary and the measure of one angle is 40 less than the measure of the other. How many degrees are in each angle? So kung complementary ang duha ka angles, class, we have x and y. X plus y, they are equal to 90 degrees. And the other angle, the one angle is 40. So if our x is 40 less than the measure of the other, so 40 less than sa isa. Okay, so this is our first equation. This is our second equation. Now substitute the value in equation 1, substitute the value from x plus y is equal to 90. Substitute the value of x, which is equal to y minus 40. So plus y is equal to 90. So this is now 2y is equal to 90 transpose 40. So plus 40. Y therefore is equal to 130 divided by 2. Y is equal to 65 degrees. Sorry. And then for x rather, from equation 2, x is equal to y minus 40, x is equal to 65 minus 40, so that your x is now equal to 25 degrees. And to check your work, okay, to check, let us make use of the equation 1. X plus y is equal to 90 degrees, so that your x is 25 plus y 65 is equal to 90. So is this 90? This is 90 is equal to 90. So your answer is check. So that is all for the first handout. Okay, I hope you're taking down notes and thank you for listening. Good day, everyone.